how to charge with Source using our state-of-the-art, ultra-rapid Siemens chargers, including information on our payment options. Let's start by parking safely in an available space. Some Source EV locations use Siemens chargers with both main terminals and dispenser units. If you park next to a dispenser unit, you'll need to use the corresponding main terminal to start your charging session and make payment. Each main terminal and dispenser unit is linked by a matching identifier shown on the side of the charger. For example, main terminal A is paired with dispenser unit A1. Once you've found the matching main terminal, simply follow the on-screen instructions to start your charge. Tap the screen to start the charging process. From the bottom of the screen, you can slide the touchscreen up and down to your preferred height. Select which charging cable you'll be using. You now need to select and make your payment. You can do this in one of 4 ways. Option 1 is pay as you go, where you can tap your contactless credit or debit card. Option 2 is to insert your payment card and enter your PIN when prompted. Option 3 is to start your charge using the Source app. If you don't have the app yet, you can access it through our website, with no download required. Option 4 is to use an RFID card from one of our roaming partners or your SourceConnect subscription. When you're prompted to log in to charge, you'll need to present one of these options. To recap, tap your contactless card or mobile phone on the payment screen. Insert your card below the screen for chip and PIN, or tap your RFID card on the reader to the right of the payment screen. It's now time to connect your vehicle. Unplug the cable from the charger and plug it into your vehicle. Once the charger is connected to your vehicle, charging will begin. This may take a few seconds. While your vehicle is charging, the screen will show your progress, including the energy delivered, your battery's charge level, the current charging speed, the estimated finish time, and the cost of your session. The charging speed shown is the maximum the charger can deliver. Your actual charging speed will depend on your vehicle's charging capability and battery condition. When you've reached your desired charge level, you'll need to stop the charge. Simply tap your original payment option on the terminal. This will stop the charging session. Alternatively, some vehicles have a Stop Charge button located near the charging input. If your vehicle doesn't have a Stop Charging button, you can press Stop on the screen to end your charging session. The screen will then confirm that the session is ending. You can now unplug the cable from your vehicle and return it to the charger. Thank you for choosing Source. Visit our website to explore our latest subscriptions and unlock our lowest charging rates. Not sure which plan is right for you? Use our subscription calculator to compare your charging habits and find the option that could save you the most money.